Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Samsung One Connect box to fix no signal, HDMI, or power issues. First, perform a power cycle. Unplug your One Connect box, TV, and all connected devices for about 60 seconds. Then, plug them back in. Next, check all the cables. Make sure the main One Connect cable and HDMI cables are properly connected. You can also use your remote source button to switch inputs and ensure the correct source is selected. If issues persist, try a physical reset. Locate the pinhole reset button on your One Connect box or TV and press it for 10 seconds. For more rough troubleshooting, you can also perform a factory reset via the TV menu. Always double check that your cables are in good condition and that you've selected the correct input sources. Following these steps usually fixes no signal and the HDMI problems. And that's it. That's how to reset your Samsung One Connect box and fix common signal or power issues. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.